guys, and welcome back to DIY Dreams. And today we're going to be doing something I've wanted to do for a very long time now. I seem to be saying that every single time. But today we're going to be making slime. Now I have done this before, so I will leave the link to the other video down in the description box down below. But the difference between last time and this time is that this time we are going to be making a traditional stretchy slime that you will absolutely love. Instead, last time we made a slime without glue. If you like this idea, make sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications, and you might become part of DIY Dreams. Now, without further ado, on to the video. So for this slime, you will need 1 cup of glue, a pinch of baking soda, and around 2 squirts of activator. It depends how much you want your slime to be activated. So the first step in making this slime is getting your glue, your 1 cup of glue, and just dumping it in your bowl. Try and get it as much glue out of the container as possible. It's okay if some sticks to the sides, but try and be very generous with your glue. After you have your glue poured into your bowl, next you are going to add your pinch of baking soda. As I said before, this pinch can be very loose. It doesn't have to be exact. I'm just gonna add a pinch. But a big tip is not adding too much baking soda, because if you add too much baking soda to your slime, it will either A, overactivate and you will have an incredibly stiff slime, or B, it will become all watery and you don't want either of those. After your slime is fully mixed, you are going to activate it. But this is optional. I'm not going to be activating it quite yet because I'm going to dye mine red, and it's probably going to turn out more pink than it is red, but this is the stage when you can add glitter, floam, and cool effects to your slime. I will also mention I'm going to be using a clean kitchen cloth because I don't want this to spill. And I'm just going to be adding, how about 4 drops? That was definitely more than 4. It's definitely turning out more pink, as I said, than it is red, but that's okay. It's still very nice. So now I think our slime is completely mixed. Now we are going to activate it. And as I said before, it's probably going to take 2 squirts of activator, but it depends how generous you are being with your activator, and it also depends how much you want your slime activated. You'll know your slime is ready when it starts to pull away from the bowl. So I've added my 2 scoops and it still is definitely not activated, so mine's probably going to take more than that. That's okay. This is what it should look like when it's activating. It will be very soggy, but when you stir it, it will kind of have a stiffer feeling to it. It won't feel like glue anymore. So I'm just going to activate this and I will be right back. So at this point, my slime has gotten away from the bowl, and yes, I am using my hands to mix it up, but at this point, the slime has gone away from the bowl, but is definitely still sticking to my hands. So at this point, you only need 1 more squirt, and you should be good. At this stage, this is called kneading the slime, and it's when it's still sticking to your hands, but you can pick it up and stretch it like slime. So I hope you enjoyed that. I certainly did. Make sure to stay tuned for Studio Remodel next week. Now, till next time, bye guys!